Hello, it's Lucy here, Outdoor Learning Officer, and today is all about ivy. Ivy is one of the most familiar plants you'll see, climbing up buildings, trees, even on the ground. It's almost everywhere. It provides food and shelter for all kinds of wildlife, which we'll be talking about today. Ivy is one of the words in Robert Macfarlane's and Jackie Morris's Lost Words book. So here is Karen reading the poem for Ivy. Enjoy!
I am ivy, a real high flyer. Via bark and stone I scale tree and spire. You call me ground cover, I say sky wire.
The creeping plant is not actually as bad as you might think. It has been accused of strangling trees, but actually it doesn't harm them at all and supports at least 50 species of wildlife. In September, you get these yellow-green flowers that appear on ivy. They are a great source of nectar for autumn insects, like honeybees and red admiral butterflies. Then come the round blackberries from November to January. You might even see them now because they can last up to April. The berries have a really high fat content and are a really great resource for birds. You might notice a blackbird eating them, so the berries last till April, if not eaten straight away. Some people believe that the birds leave the ivy berries because they know they last, so will eat other berries first, and then in April, when there's not much resources or food for them, they can eat the ivy berries. Our ivy doesn't actually cause a rash like a lot of people think. The ivy that causes a rash comes from North America and is known as poison ivy. So poison ivy sap has this irritant in it that causes a rash. So it's not related in any way to our ivy. Ivy supports so many wildlife. It could be a roosting site for bats and birds. It can offer places to hibernate for insects, or it could just offer shelter for creatures like small mammals. How to identify ivy? So ivy is an evergreen. They have glossy leaves that can be seen throughout the year with pale veins. The stems have specialised hairs which help it stick to the surface as it climbs. You get two types of ivy leaves. You get the juvenile that has 3 to 5 lobes, a pale underside, and then you get the mature leaves that is oval or heart-shaped without lobes. So I've got a few ivy leaves here, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a leaf rubbing to see if it becomes clearer on a leaf rubbing of how I can distinguish between whether they are mature or juvenile. The 4 leaves I have here range from juvenile to mature, and actually show the stages quite nicely. So you can see this one here has 5 lobes, and it's a juvenile. Then this one here goes on to 3 lobes, still a juvenile. Here we're just getting rid of the 3 lobes, and finally over here the sort of oval or heart shape, the mature leaf. So there is actually a species of bee called the ivy bee, which was first recorded in the UK in 2001, which isn't that long ago really, and is now found in most of southern England and Wales. Ivy is the main plant used by this bee for pollen. You see the ivy bee in September when it flowers. It's a type of solitary bee, so it will nest in the ground in loose, light or sandy soils that is normally south facing. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have learned something about ivy today. I would love to hear what you think. Stay safe and stay wild.